So this is the typical Samsung box, so nothing special. So let's start. So this side is empty. We'll move this aside. So the box content is a hands-free, okay, a basic 3.5 mm jack hands-free, a data cable which is Type C to Type C, and a charger. So let's move this aside and let's check what's inside this small box. So on the top there is a SIM ejector tool. Inside there is a basic protection cover. There's a user manual and quick start guide. So we move this outside and we keep this aside. So we'll check the phone now. Let's check the design of the mobile. Okay, so from the back it has a very decent design with quad camera setup, and here there's a volume button and power button. Downside it has a speaker grill, Type C port along with 3.5 mm jack. There's a SIM card slot, so this is the dual SIM version which can support a memory card as well, and there's another microphone for good noise isolation. So towards the front, it has almost no bezels with a single hole punch design for the selfie camera. Let's start the mobile and check. So the phone is now started. The phone supports 4G only, and it has a total memory of 128 GB. It has 8 GB RAM with Qualcomm Snapdragon 730 processor. So let's check the software. We go to settings, our phone, software information. So the phone is running One UI 2.5 on top of Android 10. So that was our unboxing and initial impression for Samsung Galaxy A71s. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. We'll meet again in next video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.